How to restore your WhatsApp chat history and messages on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can restore your WhatsApp messages and history. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First things first, what we're going to do is simply open up the WhatsApp application on our Android. In order to restore our messages, you first need to have actually backed up. If you have not backed up your chats, you will not be able to restore them. So once you've backed them up, now what you want to do is, in order to actually get them, I will tap on the agree and continue, and I will simply enter my phone number. Once I enter my phone number, I'm going to tap on the next button over here, and basically it will ask me to verify using the OTP code. So I will go ahead and simply wait for the OTP code to be received on my phone. Once I verify with the OTP code, as you can see right over here, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. Tap on continue, allow access to your contacts, allow access to your device, and you can see it says looking for backups. So if you've backed up your chat history to your Google account, and if you're logged into the same Google account, you can see it says that the backup has actually been found. If you look at the top, you'll be able to see account backup, and you'll be able to see the Gmail account associated with it. All you have to do is, if you skip this right now, you'll not be able to restore them later. So what we have to do is simply tap on this little restore button which you see at the bottom left. As you tap on the restore button, your chat history will be successfully restored. And if you don't see the restore option, it basically means that you have not backed up your WhatsApp chat history. And it's basically it. This is how you can restore your WhatsApp chats on your Android. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.